Welcome. Today, we're diving into a useful feature in Google Drive that allows you to search for spreadsheets by their owner. This can be particularly helpful if you're collaborating with multiple people and need to find specific files quickly. Let's get started with the steps. First, open your web browser and navigate to Google Drive by typing in drive.google.com. Once the page loads, you'll see your Drive interface, which is where all your files are stored. Next, look for the search bar at the top of the page. To enhance your search capabilities, click on the Advanced Search icon, which looks like a small triangle or funnel. This will open up additional options that will help refine your search. Now, in the Advanced Search options, locate the Type drop-down menu. Click on it and select Spreadsheets. This ensures that your search will only return results that are spreadsheet files, making it easier to find exactly what you need. Moving on to the next step. Find the Owner section in the Advanced Search options. Here, click on the drop-down and choose Specific Person. This option allows you to narrow down your search results to spreadsheets owned by a particular individual. Now, it's time to enter the name or email address of the person whose spreadsheets you want to find. Type their name or email into the provided field. Make sure you spell it correctly to avoid any issues with your search results. After entering the owner's information, click on the Search button. Google Drive will now filter through all available spreadsheets and display those owned by the specified person. Finally, browse through the results to find the spreadsheet you want. You can click on any file to open it directly from this view. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you can efficiently search for spreadsheets by owner in Google Drive on your PC. This feature not only saves time, but also streamlines collaboration efforts within teams. Happy searching!